Hey, we are automating content marketing based on make.com, creating SEO articles for my test website and create this scenario from the scratch till the end in the new account. Hey, my name is Gala. I am marketing analyst and expert in Looker and marketing automation. On a previous video, we already created our Make account. We created connection with Google Sheets and Perplexity. And the next thing, let's check my scenario. Next block is actually really interesting. This is set up multiply variable. It's links and banners. Let's check. We add a new model here, variable. What is variable? This is super interesting. It's on tools. We can set up multiple variables. Here we can add different variables that we can add to our article. I think this is super interesting. Variables, it's kind of our library of some elements that we want to use in each article. For example, we can add an item and we have name and values. Let's copy it from here that I prepared. Social media links. For example, this is what I use. I use them in this format. So I have social media links. I have Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for this Galenlar project. We can save and it's rename links and banners. Second one, what is nice for SEO? It's internal links to similar articles on your website. And it's good to have some external links as well, but I don't have this option for this project right now. For example, if you have some banners, you have some services on your website, you can create banners and add it as a variable and later add to the article. For me, I just want to add some internal links to other articles that I can add to my website. How can I do it? I will write add item, internal links. Let's ask ChatGPT content marketing. Let's create a new chart. I want to create internal links for articles on my website for the make scenario format that I need, like this category kind of this. And I want to add some articles. I want to add a lot, and next model we will check which articles are good for these articles. I'm not sure, to be honest, how to make it in a super nice way, so I do this. I have articles. I don't have many articles on this website, so I will set up just all of them, or at least some of them. When you have some key content on your website, you can select specific articles. So what did I do for my daily reports? I know that articles that worked well, I choose only them. As well, if you have some online products on your website, you can add these products. If you have some, I don't know, pages like contact us pages, you can add this section. The variable, it's a library of some additional elements for our articles that we want to use. It could be affiliates, for example, links. It could be links for, I don't know, your Medium, whatever. Mental load, decision figure. Okay, I want a list of all articles I sent to you with a category from the website, and a link name is an article name. Okay, it should be one list without different blocks, and use for links the full articles titles. So now I can copy it, and this is what I need for make. So this is our variable. This I copy paste our variable, right? And this is our internal links. Nice. So we have a lot of articles, and this is our internal links, and we have social media links, and we save it. So what next I want to do? I want to choose which kind of internal links will fit to our article. For this, I had this model in another scenario already. I used it here. Select internal links. I used ChatGPT here, article, and this is a prompt that I use. Select internal links. Because I have like a big list of these articles, I want to use only 3 of them for each article. Why it is center? I don't want it's by center. I want it's just normal. So this is my prompt for ChatGPT. I say that you have an articles, you have internal links, and just select 3 internal links that will fit to my article. Right, and I want to here it's an HTML format. Let's go to make, and our next section will be ChatGPT. Well, let's use Perplexity for now, because we already connected. In the next video, we will connect ChatGPT to our make and we can change it. Okay, create a chat complexion, or we can use the same connection. So we already had connection for Perplexity, so we don't need to use API call as well. Reasoning, we can use reasoning model here, and we can use only one user prompt, for example, and use a content like this. Article content we take from our Perplexity model. It was in choices, messages, content here. And available links we take from the previous blocks that we created, internal links. Now we can save, rename it select internal links, save. And now we can run the whole scenario to check if it works. So what we did, we added links and banners. We have our social media links, and we have internal articles, a lot of different them. We created another model that select articles that will fit to section like read more articles about the same topic, and we can run it once. So it writes an article, short overview. We select a row from our Google Sheets. We take a keyword, we take a thesis. We write an article here on this model based on this keyword and thesis. And then, okay, operation failed in errors. So no reasoning model has been, okay. Can we use Sonar model? Let's do it again. On the next video, let's connect ChatGPT because we will use ChatGPT a lot. For now, let's check what do we have here. We have choices, one message, and what we have here, we have HTML, explore more based on calm and clarity, and we have here 3 articles, and it is in nice format that we can use for our article. I'm happy for that. So this is already we have a section like what read more about the same topic. I really like it. We save it, everything works. If you like this video, if you like how I explain information, please follow me in YouTube and Instagram, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave some comments because it gives me motivation to create more videos like that. And I think it's super nice that we can work together. Hope it will be really useful. If you're interested in some tools that I mentioned, I will add some links below this video. Also, I will add a view access to this document with GPT prompts. Okay, not GPT, like AI prompts that I use for different model of this scenario, so you can use it if you want and update for yourself. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you soon.